Hello and welcome. In this video I'll go with you through the initial setup of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So as you can see, we're welcomed by the phone in all languages of the world, and we have one button. I'm not sure what it says, but let's just press start and continue. Here, choose your language. I don't think we need to. Okay, let's agree. Okay, set up manually. Okay. Let's skip the Wi-Fi. Okay, it's needed. Okay, so let me just log into the Wi-Fi network. So just give me a second. Okay, so we are connected. Now let's get back to it. Okay, set up later. Okay, so let's unlock our phone. Let's skip that. Let's select don't copy. Let's skip again. And let's set pattern for our locking method. Okay, let's accept. Next. Oh, you can select default browser. I am a fan of the Firefox, so I'm gonna set as default. Okay, Google. I don't think we can skip it. Set up later in settings. Great. Skip. Okay. Terms and conditions. Agree. Agree. Dark mode. And as you can see, we are done. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.